Hello, the first method is the zero pole. If I double click on the block based on the code we had in the MATLAB, we can set the zeros, poles, and gain. I do not set any amount for the zeros. And this is the pole, this amount, and I set the gain 4. But the poles, let me change it, 1 and -1. I click on OK. I simulate it. So in this chapter, you understood that there is a single method for simulation. For example, when you have transfer function for the transfer function of a system, it is not necessary to simulate it with blocks. You can do that with transfer function. Or even when you have zeros and poles of a system, it is not necessary to get the equation. You can simulate it with zero pole block. And we have so for the state space equations of a system, and it is not necessary to convert the state space equation to transfer function equations. Okay, I save it as modeling. Okay, we learned about multiple simulation in Simulink and in the Simulink environment using different blocks.